Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, 19th July 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 24th, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.5. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 3.66%. This translates to an average return of 0.10% per day since it was listed as buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 11.27% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 11.27% and 15.04%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 29.75% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 19.17% and 33.85%. This translates to a price range of $601.26 to $675.35 after a year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for VOO ETF after losing 0.667%. The VOO ETF price fell by negative 0.667% on the last day, Friday, 19th of July, 2024, from $507.94 to $504.55. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.11% from a day low at $503.58 to a day high of $509.15. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by negative 1.03% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by negative 486,000 shares, and in total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.02 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $519.40, and the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price is 2.86%, or $14.85, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which is also the all-time high for ETF. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $512.21. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $501.61. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and so far it has fallen minus 2.8%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MAD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 50 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 173 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 162 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $502.51, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.57 between high and low, or 1.11%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 0.98%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $511.39. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $502.51. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $475.28, negative $5.80. This ETF has low daily movements, resulting in low risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 54 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, July 22nd, we expect VOO to open up $1.21 and start trading at $505.76. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.